This is my finished product, mini bag. Looks this this is just only a design, and look at the hardware. The hardware that I use for this is gold. It's gold. I use gold hardware, and the lining, the bottom, all is gold in the bottom. And I use magnetic. And the inside is very clean. Look at the edging, you need to see how to sew properly the lining, the canvas inside of the bag. You need to know and to learn how it works and how to do. So for our next tutorial, I teach you how to make or how to sew just using your hands, so that it will not appear the thread. Look at, you never see the thread because I sew it properly from hiding ways of this canvas. Okay, this is made all hands. I made this all hands only, and I use this one strap, gold hardware strap. All my bags are I made for gold hardware, and also I post it in my Shopee account. I sell this for a cheap amount. I sell this for my Shopee account. I post it. Those who are willing and want to buy my finished product, you can buy or you can order from my Shopee account. I post it on my description below for this video, so that you can click and you can buy anytime you want. And this is door to door. If you order from my Shopee, this is door to door, you claim it. Okay,